Hi kids, I'm Mr. Langford and this is a video on place value to the hundreds. Again, place value to the hundreds. I've talked about this before, but only for the ones and the tens. Now we're adding the hundreds on there for place value. Let me give you an example. Here's a number. What number is this, kids? Can you say that number? Right, 961. Well, if we write it like this, with our place value, we have a 9 in the hundreds, a 6 in the tens, and a 1 in the ones place. So for a little quiz, to help with our quiz today, Mr. B is going to help me with this. So, Mr. B, can you tell me which digit here has a value of 60? Which one has a value of 60? Good. Pretty good. Value of 60 because there are 6 tens, which makes it 60. Okay, let's try another one. Here's a number 327. Right, you can see that, 327. And if we write it like this, it looks a little different. It's a 3 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the tens place, and a 7 in the ones place. So let's ask Mr. B, and you can think about it for a second. Which one of these digits has a value of 300? Mr. B, do you know which one has a value of 300? Is that some kind of mark? Is that a little squeak? Looks like a worm. You've drawn a worm below the 3. But he's right. That is, this 3 has a value of 300 because it's in the hundreds place. Very good. Let's try one more. Here's the number 485. You can see that very clearly. And if we write it like this, we have a 4 in the hundreds place, an 8 in the tens place, and a 5 in the ones place. So let's ask Mr. B, which one of these has a value of 5? Mr. B, do you think you know? Good. You try to sign your name here, which is not bad. But he's right. The 5 is worth only 5 because it's in the ones place. What's the value of the 8 here, class? Do you know, kids? It's 80. And the value of the 4? 400. So, Mr. B, would you like to put your mark here on the board just to let the kids know you're saying goodbye? Kind of a sign-off squiggly thing there. Looks like a movie star kind of signature. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm Mr. Langford, and this has been a little video on place value to the hundreds, and Mr. B and I will see you next time.